Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to change accent in Google Maps voice. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute, updates, directions, restaurants, hotels, etc. All you have to do is go to top right corner and tap on your user icon. Now find the settings option, which is halfway through your screen. Once you go to settings, you have to scroll down and find that voice search option. Mine is set to default English. Usually it's English default for everyone. Now all you have to do is scroll down and you're gonna find English option multiple times with different accents like Australia, Canada, Ghana, Great Britain, India, Kenya, New Zealand, Nigeria, Philippines, South Africa, Tanzania, and United States, even America Latina, Argentina, etc. All you have to do is select one of them and go back. And guys, that's it. That's how you change accent in Google Maps voice. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.